leading the global flexible collision avoidance field to make the world safer.
Hello everyone, Little Buffalo Technology, located in the beautiful and rich Ningbo city. We are committed to providing customers with flexible factory protection solutions, creating a safe, eco-friendly and high-end enterprise environment so that workers can be more secure and focus on their work. Okay, now let me introduce the Little Buffalo Technology. We have obtained a number of registered trademarks issued by the State Intellectual Property Office. The research and development team of Little Buffalo, led by Dr. Li, a Chinese American from the Zhejiang Thousand Talents Plan, has independently designed and developed unique polymer materials and multi-level flexible buffer structure since 2017, and has obtained dozens of national patent and copyright certificates. We are the first flexible crush barrier glue standard issued in the domestic industry. We have passed ISO 9001 quality management system certification, ISO 1401 developmental management system certification, ISO 45001 occupational health and safety management system certification, GB 29490 intellectual property management system certification. We are the first enterprise to obtain the certification of high-tech enterprise in the domestic industry, focusing on flexible crush barrier. Our products have a unique multi-stage flexible buffer structure. After repeated design, testing, rechange, retesting, our products have passed the strict German TOV authority certification. Rely on advanced innovative design, manufacturing, quality management, and excellent service. Little Buffalo has become a long-term partner of Coca Cola, Mengniu, Yili, Volkswagen, Tesla, BYD, Caterpillar, Xiaomi, Midea, Siemens, Schneider, and other world-renowned enterprises. The traditional steel guardrail and bollard are useless and cannot play a long-term protective role once they are bumped, and it is difficult to adapt to a variety of complex environments and protection needs. Compared with the traditional steel guardrail, the flexible crush guardrail and the bollard are made of polymer materials, which have good impact resistance and can effectively absorb the energy of vehicle collision, thus reducing the damage to vehicles and the personnel, and can be adapted to various places. Next, I will show you the production process of our product so that you can truly feel the production process and quality assurance. Without further ado, let us start today's exploration tour. Okay, come here please. This is our acceptance process of incoming material. We will check and accept each batch of incoming materials and report for inspection. We will inspect each batch of incoming materials strictly according to management standards, confirm the appearance and size of incoming materials, and fill in the incoming inspection record sheet to ensure the quality of accessories is stable, reliable, and effective. After the accuracy, let's move on. Here is our extrusion molding area. Extrusion molding mainly refers to the extrusion effect of the screw, so that the heated melting polymer material is forced through the head mold under the pressure, and formed into a continuous profile with a constant cross-section. Extrusion molding process mainly includes feeding, drying, melting, plastic zinc extrusion molding, shaping, and cooling process. We can feel it one by one. What comes into view are those lovely particles, which are the raw material we need added to the machine. It looks like rice from a distance. Okay, let's zoom in. These white particles as the inner raw material of the product are polymerized and modified by polymer into a variety of environmentally friendly materials of international standards, such as high-toughness polymer and nuclear lighting agent. The integrating of its polymer chain is stable and firm, and the product produced have extremely strong flexibility, and the strength is very good. It feels very nice. These yellow particles are the outer raw materials of the product, which are polymerized and modified with a variety of international standard environmental protection materials, such as antioxidant, light stabilizer, nuclear lighting agent, and so on, to form a unique LBFS 2019 polymer material. Of course, we have applied for the national invitation patent. This big machine is responsible for the extrusion molding. These machines take on the role of vacuum setting and spray cooling, which will shape our molded shape again. Through the traction and swing, we get the product specification we want. At the end of this section, our operators will self-inspect the product. In order to ensure that the process is controlled, the process inspector will regularly supervise and verify the employee self-inspection process, thus ensuring the effectiveness of the extrusion product. This is the profile extrusion line. It is similar to the round pipe. Okay, let's keep going. Here is our CNC machining area. These machines use drilling, reaming, milling process to complete the drilling process of the post and beam according to the written program. After this process is complete, our employees conduct a self-test of the product. This side is the ply milling process, which is conducive to our barrier face more smooth and beautiful. Our IPQC will inspect each process and monitor the effectiveness of self-inspection. Okay, next we will do performance test. Here are 3 machines. Let me introduce to you one by one. This machine is specifically designed for neutral salt spray testing. It has done countless tests for us, year after year, day after day, to ensure that our metal parts meet the standard. This machine in the middle is used to do xenon lamp aging test. We will carry out the xenon lamp aging test on the pipe produced from each batch of raw materials. Xenon lamp weathering tester simulates the damage caused by the full spectrum of sunlight, heat, and humidity. Ensure that our pipe and fittings meet industry standards for discoloration, deformation, and so on. This machine is used for frozen test. We can open it and feel it. Wow, it is a little cold. We usually set it at -35 degrees and freeze it for 30 days. After that, we conduct limited impact test to ensure that it does not crack and has good flexibility, so our product can be used in cold storage and cold areas. This huge machine is which we use to the impact test and which allow us to check the performance of our product. We regularly conduct pendulum impact test and vehicle impact test, which include forklift, manual forklift to verify product performance, meet standards, and ensure customer safety. Let's take a look at the impact and feel the shock. We will pre-assemble some parts to ensure the convenience and efficiency of on-site installation. We will confirm the appearance of the product again, count the quantity and pack and mark it after making sure that it is correct. The auto-bulk packing can prevent the goods from falling and ensure the safety of the transportation process. The whole tray is wrapped with a weighting film to prevent the intrusion of rain during transportation and storage. Finally, we will deliver the qualified product to the customers on time. Before shipment, we will carry out OQC on the product and strictly implement the quality policy of no acceptance of defective products, no manufacturing of defective products, no outflow of defective products. We have set up a total of 9 service agencies in Ningbo, Chongqing, Dalian, Nanjing, Tianjin, Guangzhou, Wuhan, Chengdu, and Xiamen. More than 70 strategic cooperation dealers across the country to provide every user with professional, first-class security solution and better and faster service. Our products are guaranteed for 2 years. We provide a lifelong technical service for our product. After the quality guarantee period, we also provide free telephone consultation service and promise to provide the required product and accessories at a preferential price. Our products are safety protection products suitable for various industries in the protection area, storage area, parking area, logistic turnover area, and so on, such as human vehicle separation channel, gate protection, shift protection, platform protection, parking area protection, fire agent protection, stocking area protection, office area protection, elevator protection, wall protection, high limited protection, corrosive area protection, and so on. Through this set of perfect production process, effective process assurance, excellent installation service, we adhere to the mission of making work safer, to quality of character, product, enterprise, 3 qualities in one as a core value. We are making great strides towards the grand vision of leading the global flexible collision avoidance field and making the world safer. Finally, warmly welcome everyone to our beautiful Ningbo. Welcome to visit the factory, the actual experience of our production process. Of course, also welcome to taste the unique Ningbo seafood. Looking forward to your arrival.
Making your work safer. Little Buffalo.